Hey guys, we have arrived and the plane has the departure. We have arrived on the Delhi airport. You can see the other passengers. We arrived on Delhi Indira Gandhi airport. You can see the other passengers in the they are sitting in back. Here, you can see the new airport signal station. It is so long, and there is the old airport signal station, which tower is moving around. The new airport signal stations. Now, the seatbelt and no smoking sign. We can see from here the oxygen is came. Here we can on the light. Here, from here we can see the passengers in the plane. You can see the van going. You should read this menu card before while sitting in the plane. Here is the largest tower of this whole airport. If you want to purchase anything, then you could choose it from this book or the other things. You can see the tractor which is carrying our goods. The passengers are to come down from the airplane. The airplane is stopped. You can see this garbage bin, sickness bag. If you have any sickness and other vomiting problem, then you can use this bag, like in this way. Please take it. ये मेरे इधर. And now you can use it. Here we can't use it if we are not sick. Here, that is a life jacket which is inside every seat. Here is a seat. I am sitting on a seat. Here is also a book for interested people who want to go other place from the Go Airways. You can see the address. Here, by opening this, you can eat the meal. And this is a window which can be closed and also opened. You can see the stairs looking there. That stairs attached to the plane, and then we came out from the plane. You can see that's mini car. I know that it is some undisturbed pictures. It's not clear, but after some time it will be clear, fully clear. If the plane has stops, as you all could see, and we are to came out. We are going from the Goa.
Good, is authorized crossing the port.
An announcement is happening. We should have to take our luggage out of it. You could see everyone start to taking out the luggage. We should also. Here is a seat belt. Hello guys, you see this seat belt. Now you could see that everyone needs to take their luggage and came out. We also stands up. There's a long line on the before gate and on the front gate. We are sitting before
कि जिन्होंने इन्फेंट या एक्सटेंशन सीट बेल्ट उपयोग किया है, कृपया इन्हें अपने सीट पॉकेट में रख दें।
Please
आपके सहयोग के
see
लिए
this.
धन्यवाद। We request
See
all
this
customers who are given
scenes
infant or
which we can
extension
see
seat
on
belts
this
to
airport.
kindly place them in their respective
This
seat
is an
pockets before
international
deplaning.
airport
Thank you for your
named
kind
Indira Gandhi
cooperation.
Delhi Airport, which is an international airport. It is divided into 3 terminals: Terminal 1st, Terminal 2nd, and Terminal 3rd. You could see the other cars or the buses going at their own destinations. In sometimes we will also came out like that, please.
कृपया ध्यान दीजिए।
Here is a life
विमान से
jacket
उतरने के लिए हम
which is used
एरोब्रिज
by
का
any
इस्तेमाल
passenger of
करेंगे।
Go Air.
आपसे निवेदन है कि
It is a
कृपया
life
आगे के
jacket.
द्वार की ओर प्रस्थान करें।
We use it when the
May we have
plane
your
is to
attention,
crash on
please?
the
We shall be using an
sea.
aerobridge for
Here
disembarkation.
is a life jacket of the
Kindly
Go
proceed to
Air.
the forward
You could
exit.
see.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Everyone is to go out and the gate is not opening. You could see the stairs is come near us, so this is attached to our door and we go outside. You could see this stairs within this. I think that this man will attach this stair and then the gate will be opened. You could see the dust and you could see the buildings of the international airport of Delhi. Here is an also food vacuum and emergency cards. What would you do in emergency?
अब तो थोड़ा जोर से बोलो, नीचे आ गया।
Here is given the use of that life jacket, and here is a mask which came out from this box. You could see the stair is to attach and it is I think the air stair is attached and now the door will be opened. Please get ready. Okay? Get well soon.
All passengers are in hurry. Hi. Have a nice journey. Have a nice day. Don't curling with each other. Don't curl.
Can they?
Don't curl.
Can they? Can they?
Don't curl.
Here's an. You could see the path of the runway on the international airport of Delhi. Hi friends, this international airport was made in many years ago, and this airport was started by the Indian government where there were Congress government in the rule. Wow, what's a car is going. Here some passenger will start to cab out. You have to wait. They are also waiting there. You could see the bus going there. Yes, that bus. Yes. Here now you can see the floor of the international airport. This is made in from a very important concrete. on by which the plane is landed with a very high force, then nothing will happen to the plane. If the plane and the it could easily lift the heavy weight as heavy as 3 or 4 planes at once. You could see the other things going and the other luggages of other peoples going at the international airport. You could see this car. This is a patrolling car, and that truck is a truck which carry the goods from the central factory to the other factories in the provinces. Here you could see other agents of Go Air who attach this, and also maintenance is started. You could see, yes, you could see this red spot. It is a spot of stopping of spice jets. Here you could see the greeneries on that building. That is the main thing of our India. Here you could see the truck, and you could also see, let me zoom, you could also see the luggages in the truck. You could see, yes. Hey, what is this? This is an advanced car with many carriage blocks. That car are used, and you know the facility. These all cars use CNG, natural